morning children, welcome to class 4 social studies. So we have started with a new lesson, our agriculture. So in this we saw about the introduction to agriculture, how for India agriculture is the backbone. And then today we are going to discuss about the two main seasons children, where the crops will be grown and suitable climate conditions will be there for the growth of this particular crops. Okay, there are two seasons are there. One is Kharif season and another one is Rabi season. So we have to know that India depends on the monsoon rains. We have two monsoon seasons here children. One is the southwest monsoon and the another one is northeast monsoon. So when the monsoon rain comes only, people will be very happy because they can sow the seeds and get a good harvest. So we will discuss the difference between Kharif season and Rabi season and what are the crops grown at that season. So first one, crops are sown in the beginning of monsoon. So they are called as monsoon crops. Okay, crops are sown in the beginning of monsoon. So you observe children, now January, February, we have 12 months in a year. See which time it rains and which time it becomes summer. So how farmers are planning to make their crops grow well. Okay, so in the beginning of monsoon. So June to September children, the southwest monsoon. So before that the summer season will be there, April, May. So the crops are sown in the beginning of monsoon. Okay, then crops are harvested at the end of the season. So by September, October like that they harvest the crops. And what are the crops grown over there is maize, jowar, bajra, rice, cotton, soya bean, jute and groundnuts. Okay, once again I repeat, main crops are maize, jowar, bajra, rice, cotton, soya bean, jute, groundnuts. Okay, the next one, coming to the Rabi season. So Rabi season crops are sown between October and November. I told no, June to September southwest monsoon. So after the monsoon gets over, so the crops are sown between October and November when the monsoon rains are over and winter season begins. So when they are harvesting these crops between April and May before the monsoon arrives. Before the monsoon arrives in the month of April and May, they harvest it. So what are the crops grown during the Rabi season is wheat, barley, chickpea, gram, mustard and oil seeds. So you have this oil seeds and all you could have learned in the previous class children. So once again I repeat, wheat, barley, chickpea, gram, mustard and oil seeds. So you have to think children how farmers are working hardly to provide us with food. Okay, so these are the main difference between Kharif and Rabi season children. This is an important question. The next one is your types of crops children. Okay, so that one we are going to see types of crops. So mainly for the growth of the good crops, we need the favorable climate, rains, fertile soil and irrigation facilities. Irrigation means the water supply should be done properly. So that's why in India we have built so many dams. Okay, so that they provide irrigation facilities for the agricultural fields. So mainly you should know the meaning of irrigation. Irrigation means the supplying of water through channels children. Okay, so when you visit a dam, you can see that through channels they send the water and it reaches to different parts of the agricultural fields and the farmers can use that water. Okay, so there are two types of crops are there. One is food crops, another one is cash crops. Okay, so first we will see about the food crops. So then next under that we will see cash crops. So in today's video we will first see the food crops. So the main food crops in our country is first one rice and wheat. Okay, first we are going to see about the rice. So rice is the staple food, children. Okay, so we are eating the rice for more thousands of years. We are eating. So agriculture was started nearly 10,000 years ago. Okay, so from that time the rice has been one of the staple food. Okay, it provides us with energy and the nutrition, children. So rice is the staple food. Okay, so what are the things required for the growth of rice? We are going to see one by one. Okay, so mainly these food crops are the crops which we use for our consumption. Consumption means we are eating rice, other pulses, the chickpeas, gram, so many things. So they all come under food crops. Okay, rice, wheat, maize, millets and pulses are the main food crops of India, children. Okay, then this rice is a kharif crop. So already we discussed over there. Rice is a kharif crop. Okay, it is the staple food of our southern and eastern India. The northeast people are there, no? For them also, and for West Bengal, Odisha, those places also, rice is an important food, children. So that's why in the book they have mentioned as southern and eastern India. They included the northeastern also and the West Bengal and the Odisha also. Okay. So for the growth of rice, it requires a hot and humid climate. So in the climate lesson you could have learned what is humid. Okay, the amount of moisture content in the hot and humid climate. And the rice requires plenty of water, children. So at one stage, that rice field, it will be filled with water only for 1 month or 2 months like that. It will be filled with water only. So now we will see what are the leading states which produces rice. Means West Bengal, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So these states produce the rice in more quantities, children. And if we observe, rice is a cash crop in Punjab. They mainly produce it for sale, children. So you would have heard about basmati rice. So Punjab is the leading producer of wheat, children. Okay, that one we will see under the wheat topic. So rice is produced as a cash crop in Punjab because it is mainly produced for sale only. And then, so in Punjab and Haryana, you would have learnt about the 5 rivers, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Sutlej, like that. So they have also built the dam over there. So they get water through irrigation, children. Okay. So the rice, the important points, it is a staple food for the southern and eastern India. It is a kharif crop. It requires hot and humid climate. It requires plenty of water, and we saw what are the states which produces rice, children. Okay, the remaining topics we will see it in the next class. Thank you.